Too expensive. Too expensive. Small, but still expensive. First and second shelf. Now we're cutting the third and the fourth, and this will be the fifth. So there you go, the finished product. So enough size and in a budget. So I spent about 200 dirhams. Um, three plywoods, which I planned accordingly. So our leftover is just this one. This is just our leftover. Everything is recycled. So I'm a hoarder. So rails. This is from our IKEA drawers. Even this steel, they're all recycled. So everything was measured. So boxes will fit, tools will fit, and even the hinge are recycled. So let me give you a tour. So screwdrivers, flashlight, gloves, anything you need quickly is here. Gloves, and on the first drawer is your wrenches, pliers, other pliers. We still need to organize this stuff, and we need to put handles, of course. Sockets, screwdrivers. Then this will be your drill and electrical. The other one is inside. Drill and grinder. So this is your painting drawer. Mask, sandpaper, brushes, sanding block, putty knife, spray guns, and then the last, woodwork. So rollers, clamps, jigsaw, circular saw, sander. So we were able to eliminate 3 small IKEA drawers that they were hand-me-downs. So instead of having drawers that are a bit messy, we made it a bit organized, if you may say. So this was the blueprint. So 1, 2, 3 plywood. 150 for the plywood, 52 for the wheels, which are on casters. And the front has brakes. And that's the only thing we bought. Paint or leftovers. Well, I didn't finish it well because initially I wanted that textured thingy, like a worn out surface. That's why I put a lot of body fillers. They are leftovers. But after I painted the top, I said I think it's better to be shiny. We will see. But for now, this is serving its purpose. And then handles will be this piping that I removed from the toilet. They are copper. So I'll remove this insulator. And I think I have 5 or 6. So there's enough. So that's it. 200 dirhams, not bad. Everything is organized. Well, sort of. We still have to put more organizational something. Dividers. I've got my ratcheting wrench that we will put here. And that's it. So not bad for a 200 dirham tool case. So hope you like this. Peace.